All right, so now we've learned the fundamentals of stoichiometry. Let's add a few more things onto it. Starting out with something called molarity. What is molarity? It's the moles of your solute per the liters of solution. So, for example, suppose you have a 5 molar solution of NaCl. It means that in each liter of solution, there are 5 moles of NaCl. Cool? Now, we can use that information in stoichiometry. In stoichiometry, what do we always do? We convert everything to moles. If you have grams, you convert it to moles. If you have molarity, you convert it to moles. Whatever you have, you always convert everything to moles. Let's take a look at an actual problem now. You have 3 liters of 2 molar NaCl. You add to it 78 grams of potassium. How much KCl is produced? Well, we start out the same way as always. We have with a balanced equation. K plus NaCl equals produces KCl plus Na. This one pretty much balances itself. This was a really easy one to balance. Now let's see what happens. First, we need to figure out how many moles there are of each of these things. So if you have 3 liters of 2 molar, well, that's pretty easy actually. Each liter has 2 moles of NaCl. You have 3 liters of that, so there's a total of 6 moles of NaCl. The molar mass of potassium is 39. That means that 1 mole of potassium weighs 39 grams. If you have 78 grams, you have 2 moles. So let's take a look. You have 6 moles of this, 2 moles of this. Now that we want to figure out how much of this we have. Well, it's pretty simple. We first ask what's the limiting reagent. For every one of these, you need 1 of these. But you have 6 of these and 2 of these, so clearly you're going to run out of this first. You have 2 moles of this, thus you're going to produce 2 moles of that. And there you go. The key of this is that whether you're starting with grams or molarity or whatever else, you always convert everything to moles and do all your calculations in moles. And the only numbers you write below this equation are going to be the number of moles. Not the number of liters, not the number of grams, not anything else, just moles. Do every single thing in moles, convert every single thing to moles.